On the dark desert highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of colitas rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, I saw a shimmering light. Head grew heavy and my sight grew dim. Had to stop for the night. There she stood in the doorway, heard the mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven or this could be hell. And she lit up a candle, she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely face. Lovely room at the Hotel California. Anytime again, you can find it here. Mine is Tiffany twisted. She's got a Mercedes Benz. She's got a lot of pretty, pretty boys, and she calls friends. And they danced in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Some dance to remember, some dance to forget. So I called up the captain, please bring me my wine. Haven't had that spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the Hotel California. Love place, such a lovely face. Living at the Hotel California, a nice surprise, bring your alibis. Girls on the ceiling, I drink champagne on ice. We are all just prisoners here of our own device. In the master's chambers, gathered for the feast. They stab it with their steely knives, but they just can't kill the beast. Last thing I remember, I was headed for the door. I tried to find my passage back to the place I was before. Relax at the nightmare, programmed to receive. You can check out anytime you like, but you can never leave.